Hello, today I will show you how to add automatic subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. Choose the video you want to add subtitles to. Go to the window menu and select Text. In the text panel, click on Transcribe Sequence. In the window that opens, select the subtitle language and adjust any necessary settings, then click on the Transcribe button. The software will start rendering the text. Once the transcription is done, click on the Create Captions button. Here, you can adjust the subtitle style, length per line, gap between captions, and whether the captions are single or double lines. After making your adjustments, click on the Create Captions button. That's it. You've successfully added automatic subtitles to your video.